Hello sir, good morning. My name is Surya Luitel. I'm 33 years old. I'm from Kaski, Nepal. I'm married. I have 3 members in my family. My education is SLC pass. My height is 5.4 feet. My weight is 60 kg. I'm medically fit and fine, sir.
Okay. What is your work experience?
4-year work experience, sir.
In which post?
Garbage disposal worker in Nepal.
Okay. What is your job responsibility duty?
My work responsibility cleaning, sanitization, loading, and empty waste bin.
Okay. Why you want to come to Europe?
Better my future, secure my family.
Okay. How long you want to stay in Europe?
5 and 6 years.
Okay. Can you work indoor or outdoor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you complete of your agreement of 2 years?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you follow the company rules and regulations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you work in any temperatures?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Well,